Dobro jutro, prijatelji. Today I prepared something special for you, Vietnamese Pho. So, it takes some time, let's start.
Alright, we start off with the meat. We've got some brisket, oxtail and leg bones with the meat on, and we dump those in the big pot. I don't care if they can swim. Then we're gonna bring up the heat, and once it started boiling, we cook it for 20 minutes. In the meantime, we prepare our other ingredients. We start off with the ginger and slice it into 2 halves. Same goes with 2 onions. And also 1 carrot. Then we want to char them over the flame. You can also char them directly over the heating plate, does the same trick. So, I've actually never been to Vietnam, my recipe is only based on research. So to you guys who've been there, please let me know what you think about my recipe. Okay, these look fine, so let's hit the next step. So I cleaned the meat and placed them into fresh water. Then we're gonna dump the charred vegetables in. As well as 5 cloves, 3 staranis, a cinnamon stick, and a handful of coriander seeds. Last but not least, some fish sauce. I added around about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. Oh, and I almost forgot, we need to add some rock sugar or sugar, give it all a good stir and cook it for at least 4 hours. Okay, we are almost done. Now we need to cook the rice noodles. So we let them soak in the pot with cold water for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, we take out the meat from the stock and cut it into bite-sized pieces. The meat should be nice and tender and fall off the bone like this. The noodles are nicely soaked and we can start boiling them. While the noodles cook, we prepare our toppings. First, we cut the onion into fine half circles. Then finally chop some chilies. Make some lime wedges. And finally mince some cilantro. And we place everything on a plate. Alright, the noodles are done and we can proceed to the final step. We take out the noodles and place them into a bowl. Spread some onions over it. Add add the chilies and the cilantro. Spread the meat over it. And last but not least, pure the stock through a sieve over everything. And right before serving, squeeze the lime wedges and add those as well.
Damn guys, what a smell! Wish you could be here. But if you like what you see, you can cook it home yourself and write me down in the comment section below what your experience was. And hit the like and subscribe button.